one of the things you have to be considering is what it is you're going to do with your meet recordings, how you're going to share them in your Canvas course, and that is worth considering. So the best practice for now is to open your meet recordings folder, and if it's like mine, you might have a whole bunch from last year. You can probably delete those or move those to another folder, but you want to leave this folder somewhat empty. But for our purposes today, with this being full of videos, it's actually very helpful. So once you're inside that folder, you want to go up to the top and click on that Meet Recordings, and then click on New Folder, and then you want to make a folder for each hour of the day. So now that you have your folders created, what you want to do is to take your videos for each hour and just slide them into the right folder. This is a task that I would suggest doing every day, because if you look at the file name of this, if we go to the file mode, the file names oftentimes are very different, and it's based on the time period. And of course, it's 6:03 Greenwich Mean Time -7. And so unless you are really aware of what Greenwich Mean Time is -7, it becomes a little bit of a hassle. Take it from me, I did this for somebody with 30 videos, and I had to convert the time for all of them, and then I had to go through each one and say, oh, 6:40, that meant that's first hour, or that's second hour. So I would do this on a daily basis. Just take your videos, sort them into the right folder. Now, the biggest trick on making this work and making it be efficient is you right click and you want to get a shareable link. So this is the copy link you want, and you'll want to change this setting because it says only people added. You want to make sure that you change your setting to the Diocese of Grand Rapids, and that basically says anybody with the Diocese of Grand Rapids email address can view that. So once you've hit that, you copy link, hit done, and then you're going to go into your Canvas. Once you're inside your Canvas course, just go to that online resources and click plus and do add external URL, and you're going to put the address there, and you're going to write Meet Recordings, and in this case you want to put the specific hour, and then you can decide whether you want to open in a new tab or not. And once you have so you'll have your Meet Recordings right here, and it'll be by 5th hour. And the reason you want to have a 5th hour is, and so you might have 6 or 7 folders here. The issue would be that do you want every kid to have access to every class video that you have? If you do, what you can do is go back into your Meet Recording, go up here to the top, and give them access to the entire folder, and then copy that address. And once again, you'll want to change that, copy the link, and then we can go back into Canvas and say, we're going to edit that, we're going to put our new link, and then you'll have one link there, and that will give your students access to everything in your Meet Recordings folder. I would still suggest that you end up sliding these into the right folders. So that is a quick tutorial on how to organize and set up and make sure your Meet Recordings are accessible to your students. If you have any questions about this or you have any suggestions, please let me know, and I hope you have a great day.